One important piece of apparatus that we need to use in order to work out the densities of various things, whether is it liquids or solids, is the measuring cylinder. Because we know that in order to calculate volume, we always require a piece of apparatus since we are doing things experimentally. So you know that you can simply calculate the mass of anything by just putting it on a balance, but in order to calculate volume, it could be a little bit complicated than that. But it shouldn't be a problem for a physics student because all you need to do is to know how to use this apparatus called a measuring cylinder or a beaker. So all you need to have is this reading on the measuring cylinder, and you just need to read where the volume of that liquid is up to. So for example, as you can see in this case, it is 10 here, and then from 10 to 20, the gap is of 2, 2, 2, and 2. So it is going to be 12 here, 14 here, and this is actually 16 centimeters cube, right? So 16 centimeter cube is the volume of this liquid. And the important concept you need to know, if for example you want to calculate a volume of an irregularly shaped solid, all you need to do is just put that solid into this liquid, right? And then you just need to observe the change in the level of water, right? So changing the level of water is something that you need to observe. For example, the water level goes up till let's say 20 centimeter cube, right? So now it goes up till 20. Then what you need to do is that you need to understand what actually caused this change in the volume, right? So this is actually this rock. So it went from 16 to 20, so there was an increase of 4 centimeter cube. So this rock actually had the volume of 4 centimeter cube. So you need to have a very keen practice of trying to read the volume of a measuring cylinder. And one important tip that I can give you at this point is that you always need to look into this measuring cylinder in order to see the reading, always parallelly from the axis of for example, this is your eye. You just need to see directly from here. If you know just if this is your level of if your eye, and if you're looking at the reading from here, it might actually result in the parallax error, because you are actually seeing it from above, and you might actually be seeing this reading 22 centimeter cube instead of 20, and it might seem accurate to you, but it is not. So you always need to see it parallelly from the axis of this surface of water, right? So this is something that you need to practice in your labs.